How to lock a screen while watching YouTube videos on Android. Launch YouTube app and make sure that you log into your account. Open a particular video which you want to lock the screen while watching the videos on. Or you can even tap search icon as top right and type in the channel name and open a particular video from that channel. So suppose if this is the video, then you simply need to tap the small square like icon and select that. And at the top, you will find the gear icon. Tap on that and select lock screen. Now you have successfully locked the screen. If you want to unlock, tap unlock and you can easily unlock this video. So in this way, you can lock a screen while watching videos on Android and unlock at any time you'd like to. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.